Good morning, friends. Let's read together. Today is Wednesday. Think about that. Do we have a day called Wednesday? Looks like we're missing a letter from the front. What day of the week rhymes with our word Wednesday? Wednesday. We need to put a letter here to make this word say Wednesday. Wednesday. Your turn. Say it with the onset. Wednesday. What letter can we put here to hear w at the beginning of our word? That's right. We need a W. Let's write a capital W together. There. Now it says Wednesday. Let's read. My turn first and then your turn. Today is Wednesday. Your turn. Nice reading, friends. When we talked yesterday, we were learning about our letter of the week, which is our letter S. S. Say S. S says S. We're going to warm up our brains with some letter keyword sounds. Let's start with our letter of the week. S, snake, S. Your turn. Nice work. One more time. S, snake, S. Your turn. Good work. Let's go through some more letters. B, bat, B. B, bat, B. W, wind, W. Your turn. Again, W, wind, W. Your turn. Nice saying sounds. D, dog, D. Your turn. Again, D, dog, D. Your turn. Nice saying our sounds. So our letter of the day is S. And we actually have two friends in our classroom whose name starts with S. Can you think of anyone in our room whose name starts with the sound? I'm thinking of our friend, Skylar. Say Skylar. Nice job. Skylar starts with S. We have one more friend whose name starts with S. Can you think of who it is? Our friend Smile. Let's say smile together. Ready? Smile. Your turn. Smile starts with letter S. What we're going to do today is we have some words and some pictures with us, and we're going to sort them by S and not S. So we're going to put our pictures up. If it starts with a S sound, we'll put them in S. And if it does not start with S, we'll put them in not S. Let's start with our friends' names because we already know those start with S. Smile, smile. Starts with letter S. Skylar, Skylar. All right, ready? I need your help with these. We're going to look at a bunch of different cards and see if they start with S or not S. What's this a picture of? It's a penguin. Can we say penguin with the onset? Penguin. Your turn. Do we hear S at the beginning of our word penguin? No, we hear P. Penguin starts with P, not S. All right, let's do another one. See what's coming next. What's that a picture of? Spaghetti. Let's say spaghetti with the onset. Spaghetti. Do we hear S in our word spaghetti? We do. Spaghetti starts with S. You put that next to Smile's name in the S pile. Here comes another one. You know what that is. What's that a picture of? It's a bike. Say bike with the onset. Ready? Go. Bike. Do we hear S at the beginning of our word bike? No, that's right. We don't hear S. That is not S. Here comes another one. What's that a picture of? It's the sun. Can you say sun with the onset? Sun. We do hear S. We hear the S sound. All right, we've got a few more. Oh, this looks delicious. What is this a picture of? It is a muffin. Let's say muffin with the onset. Ready, go. Muffin. No S. Don't put it on the S side. Put it with penguin and bike. Not S. What is this child feeling? It looks like he feels sad. Say sad with the onset. Sad. S or not S? Yeah, we hear s. Put it on the S side. One more picture left. What is this person doing? They are singing. Let's say sing with the onset. Ready, go. Sing. S or not S? Yes, it goes on the S side. We hear. Now on our board we have S is for smile, Skylar, sad, sing, sun, spaghetti, all S words. Let's look at our not S pile, make sure we got it right. Penguin, penguin, not S. Muffin, muffin, not S. Bike, bike, not S. Now, yesterday I told you I wanted you to look all around your house and see if you could find something that started with our letter S. And I want to show you some of the things that I found in my house. And if you find anything today, you can send me a picture to my phone and we can put it up. The first thing I found was, do you know what that is? It's salt. Salt. Salt to make your food extra tasty. And I found a pair of scissors. Ready? Scissors. I found a spice. Can you say spice with the onset? Spice. Nice work. And last thing I found, what's this? It's for stirring things up. A spoon. Spoon. So if you find any of those things or anything else in your house that starts with S, like our friend Mariah found a bag from Star Market, Star, you could send me a picture and we'll make sure that we can all see them by putting them up. Have the best Wednesday, and I wish I was seeing you in person, but I'm glad that I get to text with you and call you and FaceTime you, and we're going to keep on learning all of our letters. So make sure you're practicing writing and saying our S sound.